To avoid Galaxy Buds Live from reading notification aloud while using Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen, find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, and then type the app name. Tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Next, tap earbud setting, and then tap read notification aloud. Now, tap the blue on-off switch next to read aloud while using phone until the switch turns gray to turn it off. With this setting, your Galaxy Buds Live will just read notification you allow aloud only while you are not using your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.